Okay guys, so now after the session we will do a little bit team building exercise. Okay, so you will have three different tasks. The first task is you have to do 3 clap push-ups. Second one is you have to do 10 high knee jumps. And the third task is you have to hit shuttle touching the tape and falling down behind the service line. Okay, all of you guys are working as a team now. And how do you feel about that?
Well, I feel honored to take that test
Huh?
because, yeah, I feel honored.
You? Andy, why did you choose this one?
Because I feel I have a very good feeling. Usually when I play, I always hit the net throw, and that makes my opponent feel peace.
Yeah, that's good. And why did you choose to take time?
I like to give these guys opportunity, and I know they're really good at this,
Yeah.
so I can share them up. It's good fun.
Very nice. Nice guys. Good one.